Hey guys, it's Fonzie with Dip Your Car, and we've got a special project for you today. Now, about a week ago, our customer service manager, Christina, came up to me and said, I think I've got an idea for an upcoming video. And I said, all right, I'm all ears. What you got? She said, I think we need to do a glitter car. And I'm like, glitter car? Where the heck did that come from? She said, we have a fan that has been relentlessly spamming our social media asking for a glitter car. Let me share with you a very small number of her posts real quick. Angel Youngblood, glitter, put glitter in it, put some glitter on it, glitter meme guy, someone dumping an entire box of glitter, and of course a cheerleader puking out glitter. This is on basically every one of our social media posts for weeks. So Angel, I hear you. We're doing a glitter bomb car today just for you. Enjoy the video. So at first I thought glitter and microflakes are probably the same thing. I mean, we've used microflakes on tons of videos, so what's the difference? But I didn't want to half-ass it, so I went onto Amazon and I found the highest quality glitter that I could find. I want to make sure we're doing this right. So here's what I found. Ultra Sparkle Glitter by Hemway. This stuff is very highly rated, and it says that it holds up to the solvents in epoxy, so it should be fine in dip. And let me say, boy was I wrong. This stuff is so much heavier than microflake. Microflake for paints is almost like a very thin foil. This is much thicker, much more rigid, and dare I say, maybe even more sparkly. How that's going to impact the project, I have no idea, but what we're going to do is we've got an aluminum base down on the Mustang right now. What we're going for is, you know that really sparkly guy that's in the movie Trolls that poops out glitter and everything? That's what we're going for on this car. So let's jump right in. All right, guys, we're all done with today's project. And first off, I want to thank Angel for her persistence and her suggestions, because without that, we probably wouldn't have done this project, and it was a ton of fun. We bought about 400 grams of that crazy glitter, and just about all of it is on the car. We mixed up about 3 gallons, and we wanted to put as much glitter on the car as possible. We're going to take it outside right now so you can check it out. It looks ridiculous in the sun. If you want to dip your own car, click right up here. We have a ton of colors and kits to choose from. Thank you again, Angel. I hope you liked the way that it turned out. I'll see you guys on the next video. Asking for a glitter car. And I was like, what are you talking? Let me see what you got. So she starts showing me posts. I'll share a couple with you real quick right now. Angel Youngblood, one of the most persistent people I think I've ever met. Well, that's stupid, I haven't met her. But I didn't want to half-ass it. I went onto Amazon and I found the highest quality glitter that I could find. So I've got this right here. No, I don't. This is the wrong bag. Sparkle glitter. It looks really good. It does say that it can hold up to epoxy, so I think it'll be fine in the solvents that we use here with our dip. So, something, I don't know what I'm talking about.